Hi and welcome to this new video from J Rich. In this video, I'm going to continue talking about scaling your Taboola Adsense campaigns to 100 to 1,000 a day. There's that process you can follow and apply now to scale your campaigns up. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the links below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So in yesterday's video, we spoke about scaling. We spoke about making sure you bid the right CPCs. We spoke about making sure you're also increasing the budget. Another thing I really wanted to touch on right now is the process of the CPC scaling in a little bit more detail. So what you have to understand in terms of the CPCs is you can increase and decrease it in 0.01. Increases and differences in terms of the difference of the amount you pay. And by doing that, you can look for the sweet spots and the best CPCs to bid. Obviously, it's better if you just know the CPCs and you understand the process, but that is a very good formula for finding the best CPCs when you're bidding on your campaigns. Also, what you want to understand is the revenue per user of not just your website, but of obviously the competition and the market in general. Different markets will have different revenue per users. So one market might be 10 cents you get back per click. Another market might be 15 cents that you can get back a click. Plus, markets have different ranges of CPCs. So a market might range from 0.06 to 0.011, and another market might range from 0.03. And then you've also got certain markets will get more demand than traffic. Obviously, some markets are mass appeal, huge, and some markets are more niche. So, but the good news is you can make money in all of those markets because obviously it's simply clicks to AdSense clicks. So you can make money in every market and obviously it adds up. You know, when you're looking at real scale, if you think about the size of these markets, like for example, the pet market, I think it's like an $80 billion or something huge market anyway. So you look at the size of these markets, there's massive demand in these markets, massive amounts of interest. So once you're able to execute and see clearly, the type of markets that work, and you focus on the most profitable markets, you're able then to get the maximum clicks and the maximum CPCs from what you are doing. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the links below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. So as you can see here, the formula is very simple and it's very precise. When you're creating a campaign, you have to make sure you understand your metrics. If you understand, this is exactly what I'm talking about here. So different campaigns have completely different metrics. Different markets have completely different metrics. So one market, for example, if you focus on, would have a completely different metric than another market. And once you're able to isolate the best CPCs, once you know the revenue per user, then it becomes very easy to create campaigns that you can scale. So in situations like this, where you have a campaign in a high revenue per user marketplace, now you know the process. And the good news is once you know the process, you can also apply it to different campaigns. You can apply it to different markets, and you're able to scale your campaigns efficiently and quickly with effortless and ease. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the links below and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. That's the process I go through when I'm understanding the market. That's the process I go through when I'm finding that sweet spot CPC so I can scale the campaigns. And that's the process you can apply now to scale your businesses to 100 to 1,000 per campaign when you're scaling a winning campaign. And remember, as I said in yesterday's video, the campaign has to be a 2x, 3x, 4x return on investment campaign. And that is the only way you'll be able to execute and scale at a high level. And once you apply these formulas and lessons, it's quite easy to do. So again, for those of you interested in the one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me by links below. And I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola Adsense campaigns. Thank you for watching this video and look forward to seeing you in this video. Thank you.